introduce myself. My name is Mnganese. Now I will be you explain about Module 6, title Synthesis of Mangan 6 and Mangan 3 compounds. Objective: synthesis Mangan 6 and Mangan 3 compounds. Introduction: Mangan is a traditional group with a gray-white metal that looks similar to cast iron, has a high melting point approximately 1250 Celsius. It reacts with warm water to form manganese 2 hydroxide and hydrogen. Like photogeneration at MnCO4L radical 1.2 deox Mn2CO5L2 present of organic halides or physical mixture of Mn2C3L2 and the organic halide solution produced by MnC5YLX and as the only result. Tools and materials. The first tools, category 1, beaker glass, drop pipette, funnel, test tube rods, measuring cup, measuring flask, spatula, and glass stirrer. Next, category 2, analytical balance, distiller, and fume hood. And the material, kind general material, filter paper, tap water, washing soap, tissue, and distilled water. And about specific material is KMNO4 0.001 molar, KMNO4 0.1 molar concentrate, H2SO4 1 molar, MnSO4 and MnO2. Experimental work scheme. The first, test tube 1, mix 10 mil 0.01 molar KMNO4 with 5 mil 1 molar H2SO4. Add a little MnO2, then shake it. Filter the solution. Test tube 2, mix 10 mil 0.01 molar KMNO4 with 5 mil 2 molar NaOH. Add little MnO2, then shake it and filter the solution. This for Mangan 3 compounds. The first, weigh 0.5 grams of MnSO4, then react with 2 ml of 1 molar H2SO4. Add 10 drops of concentrate H2SO4. Next, cool with cold water. Next, and add 5 drops of 0.1 molar KMNO4. Next, mix in 50 ml of distilled water, and the last, observe the changes that occur. Next discussion. The first experiment was conditioned to make Mangan 6. The first step is to prepare 2 empty test tube label 1 and 2. Then put 4 ml of 0.01 molar KMNO4 into 2 test tubes that have been labeled 1 and 2. After that, add 2 ml of dilute H2SO4 solution into test tube 1 and 2 ml of dilute KOH into a test tube 2. The result obtained is test tube 1 and 2 of solution both turned purple. Next, then a small amount of MnO2 was added to each test tube. In test tube 1 and 2, the solution remained purple. After filtering in the test tube 1, the solution changed color to light purple, while in the test tube 2, the solution changed color to blackish green. And the next, in the manufacture of mangan 3, the first step is weigh 0.5 gram of MnSO4, then put into a test tube and react with 2 ml of 1 molar H2SO4 and the solution become clear. After that, 10 drops of concentrated H2SO4 were added, which result in the clouded solution, and there were still insoluble MnSO4 granules. The next, then the solution is called with cold water and adds 5 drops of 0.1 molar KMNSO4 and 50 ml of distilled water, and the solution turned brown. And the last conclusion, after carrying out the above practicum, it can be concluded the manufacture of mangan 6 that occurred using a base which are marked by a change the color of the solution from purple to green. Compound in mangan 6 contain permanganate ion are only stable in alkaline condition. This show a positive reaction from mangan 6. Meanwhile, in the manufacture of mangan 3, it can be seen from the color change that occurred, which were entirely clear to dark brown with a positive reaction from the manufacture of mangan 3. Thank you for attention. Thank you for your extension. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.